Today we embark on a journey to explore the world of blockchain and Web3, where innovation and magic come together to create a seamless and secure digital landscape. Our topic of discussion today is Axelar and its native token, AXL. So buckle up and get ready to understand these fascinating concepts in the simplest terms possible. I'm George from KK Technologies. Axelar, the Web3 connector. Imagine Axelar as the ultimate connector that links different blockchain networks, just like a bridge that allows you to travel from one island to another. It's like the magical highway of Web3, working behind the scenes to make your experiences smooth and hassle-free. The proof-of-stake magic. To ensure security and reliability, Axelar uses a battle-tested mechanism called proof-of-stake consensus. In this magical process, network validators take on the role of guardians, producing new blocks, signing multiparty agreements, and voting on external chain states. It's like a team of wizards working together to protect and validate transactions across the network. Enter AXL, the governance token. Now let's meet AXL, the native token of the Axelar network. Think of it as a powerful wand that grants governance powers to its holders. Token holders, also known as stakers, can exercise their governance rights to make important decisions about proposals, such as changes to the network's parameters or upgrades to its protocols. It's like being part of a council that shapes the destiny of Axelar. The transaction fee enchantment. AXL is not just a wand of governance. It also serves as a magical currency to pay for network transaction fees. When users interact with the Axelar network, they don't need to hold AXL directly. Instead, a clever smart contract logic takes care of converting tokens seamlessly in the background. It's like having a mystical translator that ensures everyone speaks the same language. Inflationary and deflationary spells. Now let's unravel the mystery of rewards and supply dynamics. Axelar network rewards are inflationary, meaning they increase the total supply of AXL. But don't worry, there's a twist. The transaction fee mechanic we talked about earlier can make the supply potentially deflationary. This means that if there are any leftover tokens from conversions and fee payments, they may be refunded to users or used in buyback and burn programs. It's like a balancing act that keeps the magic flowing while ensuring the token's value remains strong. General message passing. The key to interchain magic. Unlike ordinary cross-chain bridges, Axelar's true power lies in general message passing (GMP). This magical spell allows applications to communicate, share liquidity, and perform computations across different blockchains. It's like creating a universal language that enables all blockchains to work together seamlessly and securely. GMP empowers developers to compose across any number of chains, opening up a world of possibilities. Conclusion? In conclusion, Axelar and AXL are the enchanting forces that make Web3 dreams come true. Axelar connects blockchains, ensuring seamless and secure experiences for users. AXL grants governance power, pays for network fees, and adapts its supply dynamics with magical precision. With general message passing, Axelar brings a new level of programmability to the interchain layer, opening the door to an exciting marketplace of services and tools. You are now equipped to understand the wonders of Axelar and AXL in the Web3 universe. Remember, the world of blockchain and Web3 is full of mysteries waiting to be unraveled, so keep exploring and learning. Until next time, keep the magic alive and embrace the power of blockchain technology. Here are key steps that explaining how Axelar works. Initiating a cross-chain transaction. The user initiates a cross-chain transaction by sending a message to the Axelar network. The message includes the details of the transaction, such as the sender, receiver, and amount of tokens to be transferred. Routing the transaction. The Axelar network routes the transaction to the destination blockchain. The routing process takes into account the security, performance, and cost of different blockchains. Validating the transaction. The Axelar network validates the transaction before it is executed. This includes checking that the sender has enough funds to cover the transaction fee and that the transaction is not malicious. Determining the best path for execution. The Axelar network determines the best path for executing the transaction. This includes considering the security, performance, and cost of different blockchains. Executing the transaction. The transaction is executed on the destination blockchain. The destination blockchain then returns the result of the transaction to the user. This is just a simplified overview of the Axelar working flowchart. The actual process is more complex, but this should give you a general idea of how it works. Cryptocurrencies are highly volatile, so your cash can go down as well as up in the blink of an eye. As always, you should never invest in something you don't understand. What are your thoughts about the Axelar, AXL? Would you use or invest in it? Let me know in the comments section below. Thanks for watching. If you find this video helpful, please tap the subscribe button.